Let's talk about extended patterns on a graph. Sometimes graphs do not give you all the information you need in order to solve a problem. If that's the case, you need to extend the pattern to find your answer. This graph is telling us the number of ice cream cones sold on different days of the week. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Our question asks us how many ice cream cones were sold on Friday. So in order to fill this answer out, we need to fill out our T-chart. We have Monday, 5 ice cream cones were sold, looking at our bar. On Tuesday, 10 ice cream cones were sold. You can see this bar lines up with the 10. On Wednesday, 15 ice cream cones were sold. And on Thursday, 20 ice cream cones were sold. We can see that we're counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. So on Friday, 25 ice cream cones were sold. We extended the pattern to find our answer. Let's look at another one. Our next graph also tells us the number of ice creams sold on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But this time we don't know how many were sold on Wednesday. So let's fill out our T-chart again. On Monday, 2 ice creams were sold. On Tuesday, 4 ice creams were sold. Wednesday, we don't know. On Thursday, 8 ice creams were sold. And on Friday, 10 ice creams were sold. On this graph, we can see that we're counting by twos. The pattern is counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The number of students who bought ice creams on Wednesday is 6. Let's take a look at another graph. On this graph, we're looking at the number of books sold on day 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Our question also asks us to extend the pattern and find how many books would be sold on day 10. So draw a T-chart that shows days 1 through 10, and let's fill it out. On day 1, 10 books were sold. Day 2, 20. Day 3, 30. Day 4, 40. Now we need to find our pattern. We can see that we're counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Our next number is 50. Keep extending. 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Now we can answer our questions. On day 5, we had 50 books sold, and on day 10, we had 100 books sold. So day 5, 50 books, and day 10, 100. Let's look at one more example. On this graph, our bars are going horizontal. That means that they're going from left to right. But we still read it the same way. We have the number of lemonade sold, cups of lemonade, on day 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're asked to find how many are sold on day 5, 8, and 10. So we make a T-chart, days 1 through 10, and let's fill it out. Day 1, 2 lemonades were sold. Day 2, 4 lemonades. Day 3, 6. Day 4, 8. We'll keep extending the pattern. We're counting by twos. Day 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So let's answer our questions. On day 5, 10 cups of lemonade were sold. On day 8, 16 cups of lemonade were sold. And on day 10, 20 cups of lemonade were sold. Now that concludes our lesson on extending patterns on a graph.